I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Tesla Cybertruck. Start by standing near the driver's door with your authorized key or paired phone, then tap the center of the door to wake sensors. Press and hold the keypad area until the exterior lights flash, which confirms communication. If the phone key fails, use the physical keycard at the marked spot and swipe steadily. Always verify the truck is in park before opening any doors. Start close to the truck with your phone key active and Bluetooth on, then tap the door midpoint to wake sensors and press the keypad area until lights blink. If the phone key doesn't work, remove the keycard and place it on the marked reader, then swipe evenly until the lights respond. Once unlocked, confirm the truck is in park and open the door gently. Keep the key backup accessible for emergencies. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips and hacks. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your truck smelling great after hands-on sessions. It's subtle and long-lasting. I find it pairs well with tool bags and daily drives, and it lightens the mood when things get greasy. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, try toggling Bluetooth on your phone and retry the unlock sequence, since connectivity often causes failures. Check battery levels on the phone and keycard, because low power commonly prevents authentication. If issues persist, restart the Tesla app or perform a soft reboot of the vehicle systems to clear temporary sensor faults. Always keep a physical keycard on hand as a reliable backup for entry and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.